If you need to manage, enable, and grow a multi-channel network of resellers, you'll need CloudBlue's partner and channel management solution. Now, for this demo, let's sign in as a service provider who wants to create a new reseller and expand their channel network. Once signed in, go to the Partners module where you can see the list of existing partners. Click on the Add Partner button on the top right. Once the Add Partner form opens, you fill out the form by selecting the reseller option. Then you input a reseller name and select the Create a New Agreement option to generate a new agreement for the reseller. Then click Next. In the Service Agreement Details section, you have the option to select an external document or upload a new agreement. For this demo, we're showing you how to choose the None option, then click Next. In the Marketplaces section, select all the relevant marketplaces for the reseller and then click Next. In the Products Group section, select all groups that will be linked to the Partner Service Agreement, then click Next. Syndication is a method for distributing products from one marketplace to another. In the Syndication section, you have the option to link a sourcing agreement to a Partner Service Agreement. For now, click Next. In the Action section, you have the option to create a reseller account instantly or generate a new invitation link. For this demo, we're showing you how to create a reseller account and then click Next. In Account Details, select the relevant account, then click Add. The reseller is now available on the Partners Directory page. This is how you can create a new reseller and sell a massive range of products. Manage and grow your multi-channel network of resellers with CloudBlue Partner and Channel Management Solution.